in the National Harbor in purple. That is the color associated with the effort to raise awareness about a heartbreaking problem every year. And if you or someone you know needs some help, there is help. The number to call is on your screen for the National Domestic Violence Hotline. It's 1-800-799-SAFE. People are taking calls at that number 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The number again, 1-800-799-7233.
Let's take a minute and get you up to speed on tonight's headlines in the Puerto Rico crisis. President Trump will fly to Puerto Rico tomorrow to check on the hurricane recovery firsthand. Puerto Rico's governor says federal support has ramped up ahead of that visit. More than 10,000 relief workers are on the ground covering the whole island. Nearly half of all the residents now have running water, and 10% of all households should have electricity in the next 2 weeks. But many areas remain cut off by damaged roads and bridges, and they're badly in need of water, food, and medicine. FEMA is calling this logistically the most challenging event that the U.S. has ever seen.
We have been moving and pushing as fast as the situation allows. Every day we make progress, every day we have some setback.
President Trump and the mayor of San Juan have accused each other of handling the crisis poorly. It's not clear if the two will meet face-to-face tomorrow, but the White House says the mayor has been invited to participate in the president's visit.
All right, it's time for a look at D.C.'s most accurate forecast. I am here with the chief, and on a day when the news has been pretty difficult, we could use something uplifting.
We'll start with a 3 degree.
How's that?
Not a bullseye.
Okay.
We did pretty well. We went for high in the mid-70s, which is close to average, by the way. We went for high of 75, and it was 74, pretty close. I'm going to go 76 tomorrow. That may be a little too high, but I'm going to go ahead and keep that number 76 tomorrow. I showed you this on the break in case you want to do the dates. This was 9/15 to 10/18. That's the longest stretch we've had of no rain consecutive days. Second, 33 days. That was back in that summer of 95, which was super hot and dry. 8/7 to 9/8, 95. And I think we're going to be dry tomorrow, so I'm going to go ahead and include tomorrow. So through 10/3, 22 consecutive days. And we'll probably add at least another 3-4 days to that. But right now we're like in 59th place if you're keeping track at home. 63 right now. Dew point's up just a little bit. Wind's light. Still generally clear outside, so it looks like another cool night downtown, another chilly night out in the suburbs, which means more 40s at the bus stop. 44 to 66 tomorrow between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m., so a sweater, a good idea, but a terrific Tuesday. 80s return Wednesday, but still nice. And remember, when the 80s come back in October, we're usually talking low to mid 80s, and we're not talking the humidity. That usually does not return, so it can be quite nice. Isolated shower possible Friday. I would not get too excited about that. Cold front tries to slip south of us. It may produce a stray shower here or there, but does not look like to be a big deal. Of course, Nats playoff starts Friday in town anyway. 76 tomorrow, 80 on Wednesday, and then 83 Thursday, still 80 Friday, and back into the low 80s on Saturday. And really, all of those 5 days could be dry as well. All right, 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Some 40s again. It was 40 this morning, by the way, in Dulles, and just for the record, just you drop a plumb line down from Oakland and Deep Creek into Davis, West Virginia. It was 19 in the Canaan Valley. It's one of the highest elevated valleys in the eastern U.S. All right, 6 o'clock in the morning, 55 downtown, but in the 40s, 47 Manassas, 47 Frederick, 46 in Damascus. By mid-morning, it's still 50s and 60s. Still looking at 58 in Bowie and 59 in Fairfax. And then by lunchtime, perfect. These numbers may be just a tiny bit low. 73 downtown, 73 in Frederick. Even 71 and 72 in Cumberland and Romney. So pretty warm across the board from the mountains all the way to the coast. All right, day planner goes like this. 50s to start. We're near 70 by 11 o'clock, and we're low 70s, full sun by 1 o'clock. A little warmer, wonderful on Wednesday, 80. Warm and still dry on Thursday, 83. Next 7 days, I mean, really pretty nice. I mean, Thursday we're in the 80s. Friday, maybe a sprinkle, not going to affect the game. Saturday, great, back in the low 80s. And then, yes, maybe some showers and storms on Sunday. That is probably our best chance.
Okay. Cool temperatures for tonight.
Yeah.
Luckily, these boys, they play inside the Wizards. Taking on Guangzhou. First.